See the picture. This is Keshav Bhati. Today's topic is youth in politics. Let's see the content. First, talking about surveys. Second, reason for not participation of youth. Third, advantages of youth. And fourth, disadvantages of youth in politics. First, talking about surveys. In 2004, 50% of Indian population was aged to 30 years or younger. However, only 35 out of 543 Lok Sabha member, that is 6%, were aged under 35. The World Value Survey showed that the proportion of the people aged 18 to 24 who identified themselves as very or rather interested in politics was around 50, an increase of 15% since 1990. As per the survey about politics by youth in colleges by youth in colleges and universities to take part in campaign and rallies, it means they are showing interest in rally, campaign and stage show. Second, why are not youth are participation in politics? According to the current data, we have the present scenario of Indian politics is such that we are not seeing youth participate in politics. That reason behind this can be the fact that politics need experience. Aged people are take to have better more than experience, which plays a good role to participate or be any field, whether it politics, job, business, etc. But this is partially correct. Logically, speaking experience does not come on its own. It's only begin with something new and practice it. Advantages. Third, advantages of youth in politics in India. The youth gives an instant energetic result. Second, the decision making of the youth is effective as compared to experienced one because they differ a lot to their thinking. Their decision brings immediate result. Disadvantages of youth in politics in India. First, everything have both the advantages and disadvantages. Second, experience plays a vital role in any field. Third, the young generation interest in less than experienced one. Thank you. Youth wants a chance to prove that what are they. Let's hope that next time the youth is more than experienced one. Thank you.
Myself, Ridhima Agarwal, student of class 9C. Today, we will discuss the topic Youth in Politics. The current situation of Indian politics is bad due to improper leadership of youth. We can see that youth percentage in parliament is only 8%. Reasons the youth are not interested in politics are: first, they are not understanding what they are doing and how the country is being governed. Second, youths are not given opportunities to prove themselves, claiming that they are not equipped with the experience to participate actively in the governance of country. Role of youths in politics. The country desperately needs some young leaders to personify energy, enthusiasm, morality and religions. No doubt, we have progressed a lot in last 62 years, but the development pace would have been completely different had some young torchbearers led this process of development. As for the youth of our country, they can contribute in many ways than just contesting elections. Much can be done in areas like educating people, raising awareness about various social ills, and many other areas. So, we can just wish that next time when we go to vote, we find more name of youngsters who make our country a better place to live. Hope you like my presentation. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is my social science holiday homework. The topic of my presentation is Farmers are Strength or Weakness of a Country by Yashika Tag. The contents of my presentations is: first, introduction of farmers; second, who is farmers, what are the roles of farmers in a country; third, How many farmers are there in India? Fourth, discussion about is farmers a strength or weakness for our country. Part 1. Introduced to farmers. A earthworm is considered as farmer's best friend because it increases the fertility of soil and makes the crop good. A farmer is also known as agricultural who grows crop for us, which is basic means of livelihood. Farmers always love their land as they love their child even the land is not owned by them. The farmers can be male or female. Usually the land is owned by farmers and the person who work under farmers are known as farm workers or laborers. Farmer is considered as backbone of agriculture. Farmer plays a vital role in the society. They heartily grow crop for us. Part 2. Roles of farmer in our country. Role of farmers in our economy. Farming is a remarkable part of the economy for our country because it adds about 17% of the GDP, gross domestic product. It gives employment to over 60% of population of country. Indian economy is depend upon agriculture. India is agriculture based country. That's why farmers are known as backbone of Indian economy. Hence, farmers play a vital role for our country. Part 3. How many farmers are there in? Nearly about 70% of India's population doing farming. According to 2017 to 2018, total food grain production was about 275 million tons. According to 2019, about 16.6 million farmers and 1,30,000 traders were registered until May 2020. Over 1,000 lands in India are already linked to e-name and 22,000 additional mandis are expected to be linked by 2021 to 2022. Discussion. As we already discussed in previous slides, the farmers are very important for us. They play a vital role in our life. Without them, we can't survive. The Indian economy depends on them. If farmers do many things for us, so why the farmers are the weakness for our country? They should be considered as strength of our country. Even though farmers are illiterate and poor, but they are kindly hearted. They heartily grow crop for us. So, farmers do many things for us. I think that farmers are strength for our country, not weakness. If drought, hail, flood occurs, crop get destroyed due to which farmers had faced big economic condition. We heard sometimes in the newspaper that this year the crop didn't harvest well and some farmers hang to that or suicide. Problem that farmers faces. In this picture, farmer is very sad and praying to due to absence of rain and praying for good crop. In this picture, farmer is waiting for rain because drought occurs and his land get barren where he lives. If rain started, then crop can grow better. In this image, farmer is thinking of suicide. In this pic, farmer hang to death. The reason behind this is due to bad harvest and he loaned from big businessman and has to pay interest of loan, but he had no money to pay interest. Thank you. Hope you liked this presentation. Have a nice day.